Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by picking the exact table and columns you will update. This prevents accidental changes. Once chosen, check primary keys, foreign keys, unique constraints, and triggers so you know what might block updates. Make sure indexes exist for anywhere columns to avoid full scans. Back up the affected rows or create a copy table now so you can revert. If you use transactions, begin one immediately. This upfront work saves time and avoids data integrity problems during the update. Write your update statement with explicit where clauses, and when needed, join or subqueries to pull new values from other tables. This is how you map source data to targets. Once written, run the equivalent select that shows the exact rows and values that would change so you can verify logic. Then perform a small, controlled update batch using limit or primary key ranges to validate behavior. If using transactions, leave them open until you confirm results, and log row counts for auditing. After a successful batch, verify updated values with targeted select, row counts, and checksums to ensure consistency. Compare before and after snapshots if available. Once satisfied, commit the transaction. Make sure to run any dependent maintenance like reindexing or updating statistics. If something looks wrong, roll back immediately if within the transaction, or use your backup/copy to restore affected rows. One key troubleshooting tip: examine the server logs and run explain on your update to spot locking, missing indexes, or unexpected full table updates.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.